Well, this morning I have to get down into a crawl space and I gotta check out 2 furnaces, and there's no light down there. So we gotta crawl some ways. Oh boy. Bunch of junk. Already getting caught on crap. I got a furnace there and I got a furnace over there. Had to get the knee pads on. Old dinosaur there. Check these filters out. Can you guys see? What furnace do I have here? Huh. Some venting issues. I can see already. Ooh. Oh yeah. Oh, the venting's trashed. Oh, there's so many wires down here. I'm caught. Oh, the venting's all trashed. Light don't work. It's wet. Oh, there's puddles of water. Yeah, look at that venting over there. Jeez. Oh, beats. Water right there. Oh, wow. Oh, I think I forgot my drill. There it is. Some of these crawl spaces are just absolutely horrible. Sometimes I wonder why I even do this work. Oh man, this is... Let me get you on the tripod. All right. So got no room to move. Get into this. I already know the venting. It's got to be changed. Crap, this scared the crap out of me. These furnaces, what is this furnace from? This is 2000. What I'm doing is checking the heat exchanger right here. Doesn't. It's hard to tell. Doesn't seem like it's cracked. Usually these crack right there at the dimple. These furnaces are not in the best condition, and the venting's fucked up. Holy crap. Wow. This is quite a contraption down here. Gas line right in front of everything. Vent pipe in front of everything. Well, let's kind of mosey on. Basically, before this thing even starts up, it needs the venting done. It's in bad shape. Let's go mosey on over to the other one. I'll get you set up over there. Alright, here's the other one. This one I definitely can't start. The venting is just rotted away. Oh, this one's cracked. I can see it. Look right there. It's cracked. So this furnace is a no-go. All the venting's gone on it, rusted out, and probably this is a 70,000 BTU. This house could probably use a 40,000 BTU. It's very, very small. So on these furnaces with those louvered doors, you pull that limit, you feel right here it's cracked most every time. So this is a no-go. Wow, there ain't no room back here. So we are gonna leave this one off. This one's dangerous. Got everything here. Let me crawl back to the other side. Well, that was certainly a dungeon. Unfortunately, we're going to have to replace those furnaces. I told them about the one furnace, about having a cracked heat exchanger. The vent was just totally disconnected from the chimney. The other vent was rusted out. I don't know. I didn't get a camera in that one to check the outside cells, but I guarantee that one's probably cracked too. So both units are 20 years old, and this is a customer of mine that has, we just across the way, he's got across the, not parking lot, but courtyard. There's like duplexes. There was one duplex on one side, one duplex on the other side. Last year we did 2 boilers on the other side and 2 water heaters, and we just did 2 water heaters in this one. So he's like, when I go to Florida, he's like, I don't want to worry about my tenants, so just install new furnaces, get it done. So that's what we're doing. It's going to be a 2-day job, and it's kind of crappy. But what are you going to do? You got to take care of your customers. And he's got, rental houses. So we do all his work. just kind of sucks. It's in a real crappy crawl space. But you got to do what you got to do to take care of your customers. Unfortunately, they're not all nice. Let's put it that way. So that is it for this one. We will see you on the next one.